Animal Complaints Hotline. Ash speaking. Unfortunately.
Yes, hello. I'd like to file a complaint against my neighbors.
Species.
Squirrels, loud, chaotic, no sense of personal space. One of them winked at me through my window.
Okay. And what exactly would you like us to do?
Tell them to stop being so squirrely. I am a creature of dignity. I require silence. I require serenity. I require...
You called the wrong number for silence, dude. I work in a party store office.
Fine. Just put in the system that I, Lord Bramblefeather III, demand peace.
I'll note it. Right under the raccoon who wanted a key to every trash can.
Good. And make it an urgent ticket.
Owls are weird.